Here's how you'll nebulize your exosomes. You should be receiving 20 single-use exosome syringes, 20 sterile saline solution packets, 1 nebulizer, and 1 tubing set with a cup and mask or a mouthpiece. First, you'll find a comfortable place to sit and administer the treatment. Set up the nebulizer, connect the tubing set, cup and mask or mouthpiece, and plug it in. You'll then remove 1 syringe from the freezer and let it thaw for a few minutes at room temperature until contents are liquid. You'll then take a 3 milliliter saline packet and place about half of it into the nebulizing cup. You'll turn on the nebulizer and nebulize it fully, breathing in and out normally while wearing the mask or breathing through your mouth if using the mouthpiece. You'll then add the remaining saline solution into the nebulizing cup, and you'll add the contents of 1 exosome syringe. You'll gently swirl, but you won't shake. You'll turn on the nebulizer and nebulize until the fluid is gone, breathing in and out normally while wearing the mask or breathing through your mouth if using the mouthpiece. You'll use the mask for issues involving the brain and the mouthpiece for issues involving the lungs. You will perform this treatment once daily unless instructed to do it twice daily. An important note: exosomes are heat sensitive and exposure to high temperatures will destroy them and make them non-functional. Syringes containing exosomes must be transported on ice in a cooler and stored in a freezer as soon as possible after transport. Once in the freezer, they will remain potent for up to 4 months. We will provide the appropriate transportation for you. If you have any questions about the treatment, please give us a call at 949-600-5100 and somebody can assist you.